We're here in Mesa, Arizona, where we're going to be helping a homeowner with some helical piers. We are going to lift up a problem situation that they're facing right now. So let's go have a look.
Hi, my name is Daniel with Arizona Foundation Solutions. We're here in a residential of Mesa, Arizona. We're here to get 3 helical piers into these columns to add a sinking. We want to get these packs as close as possible back to the house. And we got 2 right here. You can see the packs and everything are almost like 3 inches apart. So we're going to probably we're going to have to clean some of this caulk sealant behind it. We're going to clean all that out for a better lift and everything to get it back close to the house. We did 3 helicals today out here in Mesa. We had 3 columns that were sinking. It seems like the issue was that they had a lack of footing and not enough of it on each, some of the sides. So basically what we had to do, we put the helicals in with the brackets, and we had to compact it in with some cement to make it even at the bottom, so it gives you a better support. Other than that, we're just glad to be able to help a customer out and make sure that their columns get back in place close to where they used to go. But other than that, great to help the customer.